Hi, welcome to SolidEdge 2022 video tutorial. Another basic exercise for a revolve and a circular pattern. So, let's have fun with SolidEdge. Let's switch to ordered, and I want to have a sketch on the front plane. And this should look something like that. No need to define a center line because there is no center line. So let's add a dimension like that. This would be 107. This should be 10. This would be 30. Next one 72. And the last one in that direction 95. So this here would be 7. This here would be 12. Next one would be 14. This one would be 20. And the last one would be 40. Let's add one constraint. So those 2 points should be coincident. Close that sketch. Finish and cancel this out. Now we can go for a revolve. Select the profile. Confirm. Select the revolve axis. Make it 360 degrees. That's here down below. Maybe we can drag this a little like that. And click and finish and cancel this out. Now for the hole and the circular pattern, which are not really highlights in SolidEdge. More like the opposite. So let's go for the hole. Select the surface or plane. I want to go for a plane. And I want to make it on that plane here. And it should go through to next. Yes, and I want it to be 11 millimeter in diameter. So confirm. Put it somewhere over here. Then add a dimension from the center of that circle to that point here. And this would be 30. And align it with one of those axes or with that point. Like that. Close that sketch. That's okay. Finish. Cancel this out. And now for the circular pattern. Go for pattern, select the feature, that would be this one. Select the hole here. Accept. Then go for the sketch step, which is really awkward. And now I need a circular pattern. You have to draw a circle, and I want to have 4. So let's draw that circle right here, maybe up to that point. Give it a direction. Close that sketch. Finish. And okay. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really help. You could follow me also on Facebook, Instagram, GrabCat, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.